Okay, the time right now is 1:51. As you can tell, I got it is good. So as long as the red light is on that camera over there, it's recording everything that we say and do.
Oh, that's on us.
Of course. I did this 7 years ago and watched it recently. Right now, there's not much in terms of excitement, but once we have that 4-minute time period, if you see something that you want to, you might want to do it.
Singing, where are you?
Well, I think they should stop singing because it'll be like night.
But now it's like dusk.
Now it's like dusk, and it feels cooler.
Yeah.
It's in the 60s. That's quite a bit, considering that the eclipse hasn't.
Are you looking at?
Yeah. But when you look at the sun, you say, well, there's not much of it showing, right? So it makes sense that it's not cooler down there.
Yeah.
So bright. Disappointed if I can't get this fired up again. Part of the problem is that it doesn't have as much light to go by.
Oh, yeah.
It says finding. It's supposed to be smart.
You like turn it off and then
I've done it more than once.
it's my favorite Jeopardy.
I have 4 minutes left to go
Turn it
here.
off and then. Mom, get it?
Where's mine? Where's it? minutes to go. 2.5, maybe. Getting there. Another minute or so. It's exactly 2 o'clock.
Take off your glasses. Oh my gosh.
Almost there. Almost. Watch for the diamond ring. Oh. Almost. Victory.
Oh.
Look at Venus!
And that's Jupiter?
That's Venus over there.
Yeah.
Jupiter is up higher over
Yep.
to the left.
Oh my god.
I don't see the comet. That's okay. Ah.
Wow.
So, as you look around the horizon, see, it's like it looks like it's dawn
Yeah.
or dusk.
It does.
I still hear a few birds.
It looks like a sunset all around. You know?
Yeah, that's right. Oh. You saw a bird fly through. And there's a plane up there, dolphins.
No, I bet they are liking their picture.
That's, no,
No?
they're not in line.
They're not like,
I don't think,
they're not getting,
I don't think they're seeing it at all.
yeah.
Wow, the planet is has bulbs up. You can
see some stars too.
Temperature is 59.
So there's a blender over there too that you can see. Right on the left of it.
What?
There's a plate.
Well, I don't know. I'm going to watch the sun.
Yeah.
Never mind all the otherness. There are a few wispy clouds between where the comet would be. Hey, look at that. Look at the Bailey speeds on the bottom. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you see that copy?
Yeah.
The red
What is that called?
Bailey speeds.
What does that mean? Those are
Little craters. Or big
Craters.
craters, I suppose.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's something which photographers work at hard to get. But to see it with your naked eye, there you are.
Is somebody putting a firework?
Could be. That's a distraction.
Why not?
Completely unnecessary.
Exciting enough.
2:04, so we have roughly a minute to go.
Okay.
Just look at how dark it is. Look at the street lights.
Oh, they did come on.
They all come on.
Ah. So we are in the best.
We lucked out. All right. And those colored beans are still there.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That is fantastic. Oh, come on. I don't need a text message.
Oh, it's coming out now.
There it is. Look at that diamond ring. Now we have to use this. We have to use this. The sun's coming out. We have to go back. It is 2:05. Here comes a silly airplane. It's not going to cross our path. Now the birds can come back.
Oh, they were quiet.
They were quiet.
Yeah.
It was very quiet. Now they're tweaking again.
Yeah.
And then you look around, and pretty soon the streetlights will go out again. But they're still on for the moment. There must be some kind of a delay. Oh, there, that streetlight went out. One by one. See it go out? You can tell what the sensitivity is and the direction maybe of what those sensors are that trigger it.
I'm assuming Mom stopped over. She wasn't.
Well, she probably was looking at,
She knows this.
yeah, well, she took her glasses with her, that's all that counts.
Yeah.
Come on, people. Just because it's over. It happens every day.
Yeah.
Let's get in the car. Let's go home. I'm a silly computer.
Did it work?
Well, it's got some light now.
Oh, now it's working.
That's working. Now that it's over,
Oh, that's still cool.
I have it on video. And maybe it was, but it wasn't in the middle until I tapped that one portion on the screen.
Yeah.
It's got brackets and then this object in the middle indicating that you're supposed to, that the system is supposed to line up. Well, anyway, this is being recorded. For what it's worth.
Close, so now you cannot see the plate is fine.
Having experienced both of these, it was definitely darker.
Yeah.
Here? And the other one?
The other one was 2 minutes long, and theoretically it should have been just as dark, but and it's just my qualitative feel. Maybe it's because it's lasted longer. But
Yeah, that was 4 minutes was enough time to really.
the temperature
Very awe-inspiring.
temperature is 54.
Wow. Yeah.
And when we arrived, it was this age. Upper 70s.
What do you think, Kash? Totally worth it? Worth it?
It is.
Yesterday he was so jet lagged. He's like, why are we doing this?
Oh, the text message is from a person, our secretary at the church.
Okay.
It says, this is incredible. We just had to walk outside her door.
Yeah.
And look.
Yeah.
And of course, she only saw this.
Right. That's still pretty cool.
Nevertheless, it does get a little darker.
It is, yeah. No, this is.
So I would
still
think
dramatic.
even in the Quad Cities, you would have been able to tell that it's very dark.
This is more like what we experienced, I think, in Seattle in 2017. And this was enough to make the porpoises start jumping, and you had this feel.
But weren't there clouds?
No. Not where we were.
So you did see it.
We saw this, but it wasn't a total though. The total was down in Oregon.
Oh,
And
you
that
saw
was the
partial.
debate. It was partial, but it was a very big partial, but it wasn't, because we were like on the edge.
Right.
And a lot of people went down, but we knew Oregon was crazy. We didn't have a good plan on where to go. And she was like, let's go out on the boat. It was fun. It was fun to be on the water. And there were other people on the water doing the same thing. Because then you were away from all the lights. The ocean really responded. It was fascinating. Sea life.
Hey, Professor, are we seeing more of the ultraviolet side of the light spectrum when it's at these stages because of wavelength?
Good question. I don't know the answer to that.
Doesn't the light feel, though, less red right now? Or at least at the beginning?
Well, as you know, right now we have much less light coming because it's just a sliver.
Right.
I don't think it's wavelength dependent.
No?
No, because it's all it is just a shadow.
But the ultraviolet wavelength, being higher energy,
You're talking
travels
about the
straight.
diffraction.
Yeah. Whereas the infrared, or is it the other way around? Which one bends?
Sure.
But it feels different. It's not, to me it feels like more greenish, bluish kind of light.
It must be getting
I didn't have a drink this morning. I thought about a Bloody Mary, but no, I didn't. Even though it sounds like I have. Anyway.
Oh, yeah.
So you're a chemist.
Yes.
And my daughter majors in chemistry and biology, and she's now teaching high school.
Yeah.
In forensics.
Congratulations.
Traveled a long ways places.
Wait, was he far from doing that?
found one. Telling to walk pretty far.
Well,
It looks like a smiley face.
it turns out last week was a spring break. This thing is still going, by the way. Unfortunately,
It's totally worth it, coffee.
No, the last one I walked out, and that's what I saw.
Right.
I didn't see
Yeah, the ring.
the ring.
It's the,
but it was fun to
So Jupiter was on the mass.
video cameras
It is.
totally worth the extra stop. Oh, the extra flights. And fun to see my parents. Yeah, my dad, pure joy.
You've probably seen it before.
The last time, my memories.
But yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
I've seen pictures of it. See what I have on my watch? That's of course somebody else's picture.
Right, yeah.
You have to have the right watch face every day, right?
That's beautiful experience.
Yes. We're going to be readier next time.
Oh, wow, I don't know.
Because I try to capture my phone. My eyes seem to be capturing. I think it's because the phones have all these apps, these filters and all this stuff.
I didn't know. These phones are amazing. They're just wonderful for almost everything,
Yeah.
including night installations.
No.
Try it. These little things just adjust to the lower level of light.
Beautiful day.
Yeah, nice.
It's for everybody. Considering that yesterday, I think it rained. There's puddles all over the place.
And you see the cirrus clouds, they may be there, and some people call that cloudy, but the sun is bright enough to come
Thermal
through.
trips, like almost hundreds of them.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
But if there was a thunderstorm, with those 30-foot clouds low, you'd get wiped out.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's
So my friend was in Mount Vernon, Totality, awesome.
I think everybody got lucky with the Carbon there. I'm sure it, we were lucky that the main weather was southeast of us. Traveling though along the
that
path,
Dallas wasn't too good.
which is unusual for Texas. Texas is known to be southwest. Yeah.
Of course, it's all based on those particular weather patterns that area.
We live in Gurnee, Illinois, which is on the border with Wisconsin.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
You catch it? Did you catch it?
She drove
So long, huh? 4 minutes.
a lot of people.
notice?
Yeah.